In this video, we'll be looking at this Lisen power bank. I have two of them here. They're both identical, but one is white and one is gray, just to show you both of the colors here. So this is the box that they come in. We'll go ahead and open up the box here. Looks like the first thing we have here are instructions and a user manual, a USB-C to USB-C cable, as well as the actual power bank itself. Just to give you an idea of what that looks like. So again, this is the white one. We have the gray one in here, which I'll show you in a second. Has a little cap over the USB-C port. This stays attached there. Pretty nice. And you can of course use it like this as well. If you want to actually use the cable, you can connect something to the side of it. But the idea is, of course, you just kind of put it in your phone like this. Start charging automatically, and it will say the remaining battery percentage at the bottom as well. Right now it says 64%, straight out of the box, brand new, so pretty decent. But again, this is 7,000 milliamp hours, so it should be able to charge your phone about once, maybe a little bit more, depending on efficiency. But yeah, you can just see kind of what it looks like. The advantage of it going in the bottom of the phone is, of course, the space, but also it's going to be actually charging directly, so it's like charging with a cable. The other power bank I would say it's comparable in terms of convenience would be like a MagSafe one, but that will charge a lot slower just because it's, of course, via MagSafe rather than actually plugging into the bottom of the phone. So overall, this is a really good balance between convenience and charging speeds. We'll go ahead and look at the other one here while this charges a bit. This one is very similar, of course, just in a dark gray color, so you can choose which color you prefer, dark gray or the white here. It is nice that this little cap is kind of color matched to the actual color of the power bank, which is pretty cool. And again, that's going to kind of protect the USB-C when you're not using it. So nice to have that as well. And as I said, you can power device through this as well if you want to, instead of using this built-in USB-C one. The only other thing here is a button on this side that's going to show our battery level. You can push the button, 64% as well, exactly the same as the other one. So they will come with a bit of charge out of the box, but you won't charge them before using them properly. So yeah, not much else to say. These are just the two colors of this 7,000 milliamp hour battery bank. I will say it's a little bit small depending on your use case. You're definitely not going to get multiple charges out of this thing, but you can see, of course, given the size. However, it should be giving you at least one full charge, which is pretty good out of a package this size. It's definitely very convenient to just throw in your bag. You have essentially a double battery life of your phone. And of course, you can pick up a second one if you want to have even more.